Amen. Everything you put your hand on. From Abulia district, we are proud of you. Amen.
Aboliasio, Nuko Teso Zone, Secondary Schools Ball Game 2. Kisa hapo Angetakinos. Akaonona Aboliak, Aitodianar, Atalantano Agitigita.
I want to thank all the teams that made sure that these games come to the end peacefully. And Chief Guest, I really want to appreciate the management of these games this time. That when they're in Amuria district, they have been the most peaceful games, I think, in the region. And this is because of proper organization and management of the teams.
And I would like to wish those who have succeeded to go to Kabale in various disciplines that we shall move together as a team. And this is a team from Teso. I would like to appreciate and request that we get a way of continuing to train these people, so that when we go to Kabale, we storm Kabale and show them that we are great people.
I'm going to be praying for you. I want to request that let's be united in this. And like Papa Chairperson has promised, is going to mobilize the members of Parliament. I equally want to make a commitment. I'm going to call all the chairpersons to make a contribution in this. I'm going to call on the chairperson of chairpersons that now that our teams of Teso are going to be carrying our flags in Kabale, we cannot just watch. We need to put a hand in it. So when you go there, you are not just carrying the flag of Amos, you are not carrying the flag of Teso College, but you are carrying the flag of Teso as a region. Please, I want to request that, and also re-echo that we need to be united so that we bring that national trophy to Teso. If it comes to Teso, it will be our pride.